Today I am reviewing the Dritz Hummingbird Needle Threader. I found this at Joann's the other day and I thought it was very cute and I want to test it out and see how well it works. Okay, so according to the package, this is a finger grip and it has a little hole that you can put a string or a lanyard in. And there is, if you can see right here, a tiny little thread cutter right there. And then the little beak has a cover that just slides back. And then it has this teeny little knife beak that has a hook that will hook the thread in. So let's try this thing out. Okay, so here's my needle. And you slide the little nose into the eye of the needle. Hold on to it. And then here's my thread. Yeah. Okay, take a piece of your thread and then, if I can show you on camera, you hook the thread with a little beak and then pull it through the needle. Look at that. Let's see, I'm going to cut the thread with the little there. Cool. That worked. So I'm going to put a little string on this and hang it from something because otherwise I'm going to lose this. Look how tiny it is. So cute. So I was wondering if this would work for threading the sewing machine, and even though it does go through the needle, this is not the correct way to thread the machine. You would need to go in from behind the needle to pull the thread through, and that's just really awkward. So unfortunately, this is not the best way to thread the sewing machine. So would I recommend buying one of these little gadgets? Yeah, sure, maybe. If you have a really good coupon, I would use a coupon because I think it was like $6 or $7 at Joann's. It's very cute and it, won't get lost as easily, maybe. I don't know, but it's still pretty tiny. It can get lost. So I do recommend putting some kind of a ribbon or, something on there so that it doesn't get lost. One thing that I was bummed about is you can't thread your machine needle with it. It's not made for that because you have to thread the machine needle through the front, not through the back. You know what I'm saying? So I don't like that. Plus, well, it's a good thing that it has this little safety cover on it because that little thingamajig is very flexible. So if you're not careful, you can bend it and then it can break and then you're out like, what was it, $6 I paid for this? Yeah, so very cute, very novelty. If you do a lot of hand stitching, then I think it can come in handy. You could just have it on a string around your neck and quickly thread your needle and snip or cut your thread with a little cutter. But I mean, I think it's just maybe as fragile. Well, not as fragile. These things are pretty cheap. They're very cheap. Like this will bend, and if you pull too hard, these little wires will pull right out. I'm not sure how much these cost. I'm sure you can get them in a multi-pack with a few in the package. I'm not sure. I'm gonna keep it, of course. I like it because it's cute. That's why I bought it. I was really hoping, I know, I should have thought ahead. Like, this isn't gonna work on the sewing machine needle. It's just hand stitching for hand needles. I don't know. It was an impulse buy. But I thought it was very cute and I wanted to show it and share it with everyone. So there's my review of this little Hummingbird Needle Threader if you want to get one of your own. It is a Dritz brand, which is available at Joann's or Amazon, wherever you buy your Dritz products. So thank you for watching my review of this little gadget, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.